Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Zig Zag Openwork stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and how to make the triple crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 10 plus 5. I have already made 25 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 triple crochet into the 5th chain from your hook. Now you'll make 1 triple crochet into each of the next 4 chains. So that's a total of 5 triple crochet made so far. We're now going to get into our sequence. You're going to skip 4 chains into this next one, make a triple crochet. Make 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then you're going to make a triple crochet into each of the next 5 chains. You would then start repeating your sequence from this skipping chain 4, make a triple crochet, chain 4, and then make 5 triple crochet. So we're going to skip 4 chains into this next one, make a triple crochet, make 4 chains. But we've reached the end of our row now, and you're just going to make a triple crochet into the last chain of this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 4 chains. We're going to immediately get into the sequence for this row. Into this next previous chain 4 space, make 5 triple crochet. Now you're going to skip 5 stitches, and then into this last one over here, you're going to make a triple crochet into that stitch. So you're skipping 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You're going to be working a triple crochet into this last stitch over here. Now you'll make 4 chains. And then you'll start repeating this sequence from these 5 triple crochet. So into this next chain 4 space, make 5 triple crochet. Now you'll skip 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Into this next one, make that triple crochet. Make 4 chains. And then now we've reached the end of our row where we only have some chains left. So you'll make a triple crochet into the top of those last chains to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the Zig Zag Openwork stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.